Hey guys, let me go turn down power. So I got back from my meetings. So weird not vlogging on a regular Monday like I used to before I got back on my keto lifestyle. And now I'm getting ready to work out. I want to open some packages with you guys later. I think quarantine is really starting to get to me. I used to love online shopping and I loved opening packages. Now I have like 15 packages that I need to open because it's so overwhelming. I don't know if it's just because of Christmas or what, but like I feel overwhelmed by all the packages. Like, what online shopaholic would ever say that? I guess we are at that point in quarantine now, but it definitely was an add to cart kind of day. I did purchase my add to cart mug, so I will go pick that up tomorrow. I had some errands to run today, but since I was a little behind this morning, I decided I will do them tomorrow. If you guys have been following me for a while, you would know about Influenster. Sorry, the lighting is so horrible, but like every other month or every month, I get boxes from Influenster. So this month is from Plum Beauty, and this is an automatic foot file. Definitely excited to use that. And I also got some eyebrow shaping razors, which I use because I don't go get my eyebrows done professionally. And then here's just an insert letting you know how to review the products and where you can find them. And that's it. So I definitely need to start opening packages because I'm probably late for this influencer campaign. But I've actually never used one of these little automatic foot files, so I'm excited about this. If I can find these items online, I will be sure to link them down below. This is definitely a staple for me. I don't have a lot of eyebrow, but I do groom them myself. Well, I unboxed one package. Let's go work out. Okay, I might be walking around the deck. It rained last night and I forgot. I feel like I'm about to have mud all over my shoes. So I'm about to just walk around on my deck for 30 minutes. Change of plans. But no excuses, guys. Get it done. We just got done shooting some content. I wanted to share with you guys my favorite holiday scents. And to me, a holiday scent is something that I just wear this time of year or something that just makes me feel really cozy. So first up, this is my Hermès L'Ambre des Merveilles. And this is amber, patchouli, vanilla, maybe something else. But I love the bottle because look at how sparkly and beautiful it is. Like, this is a really nice scent. I received this from Fragrance Net when I did a collaboration with them. It's a beautiful amber, warm, but fresh scent. This is perfect. It smells a little cologne-y, but not too much. It's very fresh, beautiful. This just reminds me of the holiday season. Next up is my Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb. Love this scent. This is a sweet gourmand, spicy Floriental. It's kind of like the fall and winter version of Valentino Donna Born in Roma. Very spicy. I got this for Christmas a few years ago, and because of such, it reminds me of Christmas. It's not technically like a fall and winter scent, I don't think. To me, this could be worn year round. I know people whose signature scent this was and they wore it year round, but for me, this reminds me of fall and winter. Next, we have another Hermès scent, and this is Tuiles de Hermès. This is fresh ginger and like honey. It just smells like ginger. It's beautiful. First of all, how cute is the bottle? But this is like flirty ginger. Like, it's not your great grandmother's ginger fragrance. It's like gingerly. It's just beautiful and fresh. I don't wear it all too often, but this reminds me of the holiday season as well. Next is Kilian's Good Girl Gone Bad. This, once again, reminds me of the holiday season because I got it for Christmas one year, and this is just sexy, beautiful, floral, deep regalness. It reminds me of golden flowers. It just smells elegant and sophisticated. She's a good girl gone bad because it's not a light floral scent. I mean, it's not too heavy and dark, but it's definitely intense and in your face, but still yet feminine. Love this scent. To me, this is like special occasion as well. Next, we have my favorite scent of life, Maison Francis Kurkdjian Baccarat Rouge 540. This is my favorite scent ever, okay? This is Sexy Band-Aids. It smells medicinal. It smells like, it's like a woodsy, sweet, burnt sugar Band-Aid scent. It's androgynous. A man or a woman or a fish or a dog could wear this. It is beautiful. This is sophistication. This is elegance. This is elegance on the edge, but bold and in your face and sexy. That is my favorite scent in life. Next, we have Lattafa's Ragba. This is one of my newer scents that I acquired this year. Shout out to my girl Lorraine. She put me on this. It smells like cognac, honey, and like very sweet. It doesn't smell very sweet in the bottle, but on my skin, this smells so sweet. This is another attention grabber. Ragba, Maison Francis Kurkdjian, Good Girl Gone Bad. Of the ones I've shown those far, those are the big attention grabbers. I always talk about how the first time I wore this, everyone who interacted with me asked what I was wearing. It's androgynous, it's heavy, it's sweet. It smells like cognac on the rocks to me. Very sweet. So sweet that I love it so much. I kept spraying it and my stomach started hurting. So don't spray too much, but this one is beautiful and it lasts and lasts and lasts and lasts. Next, we have another Maison Francis Kurkdjian scent. This is Grand Soir. I absolutely love this scent. This smells like amber. Sweet amber. And it's so interesting because the first time I sprayed this on a fragrance card when I received the sample, I said, ooh, it smells like an old man. It smells like your grandfather. Not that he stinks, but like a really cologne-y old man scent. But when I sprayed it on my skin and wore it during the day, this developed to be so beautiful into like a sweet amber. This is more of a fresh amber, the Hermes, and this is a sweet amber. Beautiful scent. I love this one. It's sweet, it's cozy, it's amber. If you don't like it when you spray it on paper, try it on your skin because that's where the magic happens for me and I will forever keep that in my collection. Next, we have First Kiss exclusive from Layered. I used to work with Layered last year. I won't get into our relationship now, but that doesn't take away the fact that I love. This is an inspired scent from Parfum de Marly Delina Exclusive. Beautiful. This is rose and rhubarb and baby powder. It's sparkling and sweet and fresh and deep. And I know all of those adjectives sound like they contradict one another, but this is a head turner. This is another one that's in that category of fragrances that people always ask me about when I'm wearing. First of all, I love it because you don't have to shell out the $300+ for the Parfum de Marly Delina Exclusive, which I have smelled. I smelled that one and the Delina, and my Layered one smelled just as nice. This just reminds me of Christmas because I received this, I think, last year, and I love it. It's sexy and sweet and deep, yet fresh and beautiful and unique. Men and women alike will be asking you what you have on, or the men will be like, ooh, you smell so good. But the women are gonna ask what you have on. Beautiful scent. Next, Nina Ricci's L'Extase Rose Absolue. Gorgeous scent. This to me is kind of like a dupe for Maison Francis Kurkdjian Oud Satin Mood. It's rose and oud but very, very sweet. Whereas the Maison Francis Kurkdjian one is more cologne-y. This is like the feminine version and it's like under 40 bucks. Got this from Fragrance Net. I paid for this with my money though. This is a beautiful scent. Once again, shout out to my girl Lorraine. She put me on and I love this scent. If you like Maison Francis Kurkdjian Oud Satin Mood, but it's like a little too cologne-y and intense, you might like this. Beautiful, more sweet and feminine. Okay, my next scent. House of Sillage Holiday. Now, I have a love-hate relationship with the House of Sillage. I love this scent, but I still don't want to have this cupcake. I don't know what it is. I'm not a fan of the company. I'm not a fan of a lot. But this video is not about that. This scent reminds me of the holiday. It smells like nutmeg and oranges. It smells like what a 5-star hotel would smell like for Christmas in New York City. I love it. 2 days ago, you guys would have seen me get the Angel Innocent because I thought it would be a dupe, but it is not. That scent is nice, but hi, baby. Doesn't smell nice on me. I might have to keep this because I can't find a dupe. So if you do know of a dupe for this, please let me know because these are overhyped. That's all I'm going to say. That's my opinion. And last but not least, another belle of the ball. This is another one of those scents that people always ask me about because it's that good. Swiss Arabian Shagaf Oud, and this is a praline gourmand sweet rose oud. I get more praline and oud than rose, but this is a beautiful scent. It almost kind of reminds me of the Nina Ricci. It's in that same oud rose family, but this is a lot more strong and it's more sweet in like a drippingly sweet way. This is like gourmand sweet, whereas this is like beautiful sweet, you know? Like this smells more like it has chocolate in it. I love, it's very strong and intense. It lasts and lasts and lasts. You don't need to spray a lot. This can be a bit much, I would think, for some people, but I like wearing this around the house. It gets on everything you hug though, so be mindful of that. One of my favorites. When I purchased it, it was around $37. It might be around $50 now, but I hope you guys liked seeing what some of my favorite holiday scents are. These are literally the scents that I will be wearing this entire holiday season because they either remind me of Christmas or they smell like a time when it was Christmas. And so that's why I love these scents. I hope you guys enjoyed this segment. Hi guys, so I am making the shrimp and broccoli finally. I'm also gonna be thawing out these meatballs because I can be eating this for lunch. It's keto, bless you. So yeah, I will link the recipe down below that I'm using for my shrimp and broccoli. It's a garlic shrimp and broccoli, kind of like Chinese style. I have made this once. I think I shared it during quarantine, but I have to figure out a new combination, bless you, portion because it was so salty. I thought I was going to have a stroke. If you guys don't, I'm serious. If you guys don't know, I don't cook with salt. My mom never cooked with salt, so I've just adapted that. So yeah, and I use low sodium soy sauce. I don't know what was happening. So I think I'm gonna, Chloe, are you okay? I know I've been feeling like she's gonna throw up all day. Get it out, baby. She hasn't eaten, she's been acting weird. So I'm going to cut my soy sauce recipe with some beef stock. I just feel like that kind of goes with this recipe. So let me get started. I'm gonna have to watch her video because I don't remember how to make this. And you guys actually told me that you watch Misha's Corner. Shout out to you, girl, if you're watching. I know she does watch some of my videos. Amazing shrimp and broccoli and garlic sauce. So guys, this is what the shrimp and broccoli looks like. I am going to thicken it up a little bit. So I loosely followed Misha's recipe. I made it without the scallions, and yeah, this was like the quick and easy version of it, but I will be sure to leave the recipe. Chloe, are you okay? So the rest of my family is having a chickpea pasta with, is it called? Yeah, chickpea pasta with turkey and vodka sauce. I don't even think I've ever had a chickpea, so yeah, I'll be eating this. See you guys later when it's time for Chloe to open her advent calendar. Are you okay, baby? Are you gonna throw up? You've been acting weird all day. Okay. You ready for Vlogmas Day 14, boo-boo? Vlogmas Day 14 with my baby. Seasons treatings. And you guys, I hope you've been watching all the days of Vlogmas, because we are gonna do another 30 questions Vlogmas edition in 2021 on my Instagram. So it should be nice and spicy. And you would have had to seen the Vlogmas episodes to get everything right. I can't wait for that. I'm gonna start creating the questions tomorrow. Okay, day 14. Day 14. Can you find 14 muffin? Find 14. 14. I'm trying to get that treat. That's a little treat. That's a little treat. Big old treat. I can't, it's about to get gross. Ooh, mama, it's a snowman. Hang a mistletoe over your pup's head and get a kiss. Can mommy have a kiss? Can mommy have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Wow, usually I get a kiss, Chloe. I guess treats over everything. Okay, well, y'all know the deal. She doesn't eat her treats. Wow, she laid down. She is over us, you guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I feel like today was kind of fun, sharing my fragrances with you guys, and we cooked. Anyway, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.